Hello, everyone. Now that, look at this. Epoch Times again. CDC announces major shift. Will stop reporting daily COVID cases. Why is that? It's nothing to do with people dying right and left, does it? The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention announced that it will publish COVID 19 cases and deaths on a weekly basis, marking a major shift in its reporting since the start of the pandemic. To allow for additional reporting flexibility, reduce the reporting burden on states and jurisdictions, and maximize surveillance resources. CDC is moving to a weekly reporting cadence, the federal agency said in a statement last week. Next step is monthly. If that, then it's going to disappear as if it ever even existed. Local and state health departments under the new guidance will have to report new COVID 19 deaths and cases to CDC every week on Wednesdays so that they can digest the data by Thursday and have a Friday dump going into the weekend. Yeah, the whole thing is disappearing. I'm a I'm a DC animal, guys. I live in the area. I just this is just oh god. The data processing cutoffs for jurisdictions will be every Wednesday at 10 a.m. for line level case and death data the Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time for aggregate case and death data, the CDC said. What other changes are there? Earlier this month, the CDC announced it will no longer be reporting country by country COVID 19 travel advisories until there is a significant development, such as emergence of a new variant, officials said. And in June, the federal government ended its requirement for international travelers coming to the United States to provide COVID 19 tests. Yeah, can't hurt business that much, I suppose. Amid the shift in guidance, President Joe Biden told 60 Minutes during a rare sit down interview that the pandemic is over by Jack Phillips. I mean, look at some of the opinions. CDC, centralized death company. Gina's like, CDC is a joke. They keep trying to think of ways to backpedal and not look so foolish. Neo's back says that's because the majority of those getting infected, going to the hospital, and dying are the jabbed. Uh, so, what they did to my country with this pandemic. This isn't the end of this. Forgotten country.